he doing? What's he got? Excuse me, sir.
Okay, well.
Excuse me, sir. What? Hey.
No comment.
You enjoy? Do you sell comics, sir?
No comment.
Please, sir. Please.
You don't get to... Get the camera out of the bloody way! I want get the camera out of my face! You're private property! I do not sell comics! Get the hell out of here! Swearing!
Oh!
And that's for you, sucker!
A school reporter for a great metropolitan newspaper, forgotten its name, but I heard there's been rumours of comic sellers and all that stuff like that, and I just been tipped off by the local milk lady, Milky Bar lady, that there's going to be a Passover or something like that today. So I'm waiting behind this desk in one of the classrooms, and I know a major suspect. His name is Watawa Wapa. Oh, there he is there. Oh, there he is. I got him there. There he is. He's on the thing. And I'll show you. He looks like he's been had a couple or two. It's a bit way. There he is there. He's just put up there. I think he spotted the other commentator in the corner over there. Something's happened. That means a bit out of it. I think he needs a joint. I don't hear it, man. He's desperate. I think he's gone cold turkey. There you see a whole cupboard full of comics. And I think that's the dealer. That's the dealer who's been selling the comics. He's going to try selling one of these X-Men 195. If he's there, and he sees the F1 art in it, John Byrne I think it was, and he wipes it on his face. Little doesn't know the secret camera's right behind me. It's getting the money. Look, yeah, I'll take a close up of the money. Uh-oh, I think we're being sprung, mate.
Oi!
Oh no!
Get camera rust! Get off! Get off!
Can you ask the questions, please?
I need a witness!
What comics do you read off?
Get him freaking on my face!
What comics do you... knocked out of the camera.
Get off! What?
Stop throwing me around. I think I see this man saying,
Fucking camera!
this red and...
Get off our face!
all over. Oh, as you can see... Oh no, we're just being caught by a sprung by a teacher.